Install YouTube app on Mac. So if you want to install the YouTube application on your Mac, what we can do for this is if we open up our App Store and we try to search for YouTube, you can see YouTube app is not available on our App Store. But what we can do is if we open up our browser, any browser like Safari or Chrome on our Mac, and we go to youtube.com, then we will see an option to install an app, which is like essentially installing a shortcut to the web address on your desktop home screen. So for that, at the top right hand side, you can see this down arrow icon. When you click on it, you can see install app option. Click on the install button, and now you can see the application will be installed. So next time, whenever I want to go ahead and then open it up, right? So I can go to my Finder or my Launchpad over here. Then I can simply find the YouTube app, then it will open up. Now this is also not totally an app because this is also just a shortcut for the web address essentially, but you don't have to manually go to youtube.com each time when you click on this shortcut. So hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.